Alright, so I decided what I could do is just take a hacksaw and make a cut around this thing at the edge of the two mating surfaces of the plastic housing. So basically I just cut off this little part. I couldn't get inboard here with my little hacksaw, so I just folded it over and broke it off, but at least now I can test it. So I figure I'll see if this little holder still works with this phone. Maybe I can bring you guys along. Okay, so it physically is moving. Granted, I haven't tried it in the truck to see if the relay will operate with 12 volts, and I don't seem to have good access to the electrical connections for the coil on this. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to test for continuity between the common and the normally closed and the normally open, and see if I can see if they seem to be okay. Alright, so let's see here. It was from here to here. Okay. And this is the one. Let's see here. Alright, so that part of it checks out okay. I guess the next thing is I'm going to have to take it out to the truck and see if I can get the relay to operate in the truck. So I suppose it might need this crazy contraption. Anyways, I'm trying to think if there's a way I can kind of bring you guys along while I go get this thing in the truck and try it out there. Anyways, I'll go ahead and pause it there and see if I can bring you guys out to the truck with me. Okay, I've got this out in the truck now. Trying to see if I can get this in focus enough. Alright, I'm going to try to push the button for the driver's window to go down and see if anything changes with that relay or not. Yep, it does. So that relay is actuating. The relay's doing what it's supposed to do. So that's me. Oh, there goes the window. Now the window doesn't want to work right. Okay, now I'm going to push it into the auto down mode and release. See, the relay's holding now. And there, I released it. Very strange. I don't know, maybe part of the problem is the truck just doesn't get used enough to for one of these components to operate correctly, but I'm gonna keep tinkering with it and see what I can come up with. So I'll catch up with you guys later.